will not fail you, sir. Sir, everyone in the company gets a big sum of incentive every month, including their back-end staff. They make good money and they eat like kings. Every staff is insanely motivated and their performance is immaculate.
No way. How is this possible?
That's because they're using SQL. It's a powerful software with stock workflow management. Their stock picking is precise, delivery is fast, and reorder rates are off the chart.
SQL software. Isn't that the accounting software trusted by over 300,000 companies across Asia?
That's right. And I know they have more than 400 service centers across Asia.
Well done, Tony.
What?
This is too good to be true.